Hi everyone, it's been a while since we've put a video up, but in this video we're going to repair a dishwasher, okay? So we'll show you what we did and what I found out, and hopefully this repairs it. So we'll see you on this. Follow us along. All right, so what was happening was we would go to put our dishwasher on, and it would run the first cycle in the wash cycle, which is it lets water in, gives the dishes a quick rinse and drains, and then it's supposed to let water in for the wash cycle, but it wouldn't. It would just sit there and turn this wash motor, this one I think, yeah, this is the drain pump, this is your wash pump. So this thing would just turn like it was pumping water, but there's actually no water. So I read online on a few articles that this might be the culprit, and this is your water fill valve, and supposedly these solenoids aren't the greatest solenoids. So I found one on Amazon. Okay, so the old solenoid was just in this bracket, this metal bracket here. So you just got to take that little bolt out there, okay? And it goes in to these holes here. So you gotta, so I'll get this water hose hooked back up. Okay, it's just a little spring clamp. And then we'll hook our terminals back up, and we're gonna get this all hooked up and put it through a wash cycle. All right, we got the valve back in, the water line hooked up there, and the terminal back on. I'm gonna put the dishwasher back in the hole and connect our water line and our power. Give it a test run. All right, we got the water hooked back up and the power hooked back up there. So we're going to turn the breaker on and run it through a wash cycle. And hopefully the fill valve was the problem. All right, it's on its first fill cycle. You can hear the water coming in. So let's check and see if the tub's filling. All right, the tub's full. All right, so here's the water fill valve we got. And our dishwasher's a Kitchenaid, and I'll show you the model number of our dishwasher. All right, there's the model number of our dishwasher. I'm sure they're all the same, just different names on them, but pretty sure the part number would work for quite a variety of different dishwashers. So hopefully that helped. And it seems to be running through the cycles pretty good. I'll let it finish its, I just put it on a 1 hour wash, so we'll make sure that finishes up and we'll let you know. All right, so the dishwasher went through all its cycles. It filled up with water each cycle and drained and everything. So we fixed our dishwasher for, I think that valve was $36, and probably about an hour's worth of your time. So hopefully that helps you. So now I'm just gonna push this back in and secure it in place, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.